What's up, guys? Mr. Williams here, and today we're going to learn about expanded notation with decimals. But first, let's review expanded form. Who can tell me what expanded form is? Perfect. Expanded form is when you take a number and you expand it. You take the value of each digit and you add them in order from greatest place value to the least place value. Let's do a couple of examples together. So let's look at this first number I have, 456 and 1200. What place value is that 4 in? Very good. That 4 is in the hundreds place, so it has a value of 400. What is the value of that 5? Excellent. That 5 has a value of 50 because it's in the tens place. What is the value of the 6? The 6 has a value of 6 because it's in the ones place. Now, what is the value of that 1? Well, that 1 has a value of 1/10 because that 1 is in the tenths place. And what is the value of that 2? Excellent. That 2 has a value of 2/100 because that 2 is in the hundreds place. Now, guys, in order to be successful with expanded notation with decimals, well, you have to know your place values. You have to know where the tenths place is, and you have to know where the hundredths place is. So now that we've written this number in expanded form, let's talk about expanded notation. Expanded notation is very similar to expanded form. You're still writing a number to show the value of each digit, but instead of writing that value out completely like we did in expanded form, expanded notation, you just take the digit in each place value and you multiply it by 1 of that place value. So what place value is the 4 in 456 and 1200? Excellent. That 4 is in the hundreds place, so we're going to multiply that 4 by just 100. You multiply the digit by 1 of the place value that it's in. What place value is that 5 in? The tenths place. So I'm going to take that 5 and I'm going to multiply by just 1/10. And guys, I'm using parentheses just to keep my place value separate. It makes it much easier to read. Then you just add the next number. So what place value is that 6 in? Very good. That 6 is in the ones place. So you're going to multiply the digit 6 by 1/1. And then you add the next digit. What place value is that 1 in? It's in the tenths place. So you're going to take that 1 and you're going to multiply by 1/10, by 1 of the place value that it's in. And last but not least, what place value is that 2 in? It's in the hundreds place, so you're going to take that 2 and you're going to multiply it by 100. Easy enough, right? Let's do another example together. This time we're going to do a little bit of a bigger number, 2,345 and 5600. We'll do expanded form first and then we'll do expanded notation. So what place value is the 2 in? Excellent. The thousands place, so it has a value of 2,000. What place value is the 3 in? The hundreds place, so it has a value of 300. The 4 is in the tenths place, so it has a value of 40. The 5 is in the ones place, so it has a value of 5. What about that second 5? Excellent. That 5 is in the tenths place, so it has a value of 5/10. And what about the 6? Excellent. That 6 is in the hundreds place, so it has a value of 600. Easy enough, right? Oh, let me move it so you can see. Perfect. Now, let's put this number in expanded notation. Since that 2 is in the thousands place, you're going to say 2 times 1,000. Remember, in expanded notation, you're taking the digit in each place value and you're multiplying it by 1 of that place value. And then you just add the next one. So that 3 is in the hundreds place, you're going to multiply by 100. The 4 is in the tens place, so you're going to multiply that 4 by 1/10. And then that 5 is in the ones place, so you're going to take that 5 and multiply by just 1/1. That next 5 is in the tenths place, so you're going to take that 5 and multiply by 1/10. And then the 6 is in the hundredths place, so you're going to take that 6 and you're going to multiply by 100. 6 times 100. And there you have it. So we've gone over examples of expanded form and examples of expanded notation. I'm going to put some example problems on Google Classroom and on Seesaw. Please resort to this video if you have any questions, but I know you guys can do it. Good luck, guys.